This little video will cover how to set up and use the air blow-off. What we have is we have a photo eye here that will detect the bottle, and then we have a solenoid and air, if you will, through these two knives. Generally speaking, we want to have a short burst, a short but strong burst, and it should blow the condensation down off of the wall of the bottle, and then that covers or clears, if you will, the area where the label is going to first be applied. So what we're going to do is look in the screens and see how we adjust and manipulate this air blow-off. First, from the main screen, we're going to go to the screen that says Device. You're going to see at the bottom of the screen a button that says Air Blow-Off on or off. Now we can turn it off and it won't ever come on, or we can turn it on, and that status is always remembered through power off and power down. If we go to the timer screen, we'll see two values: air blow-off delay and air blow-off dwell. You'll see here that's 5/100ths of a second, and then I've got a dwell of 10. So we're going to show you first that the dwell, if I increase the dwell, it'll actually be too late. So we'll see that. Here's first where the delay is too long. You'll see the bottle's actually gone past it before we ever got any air. Now the dwell is how long the air blows, and that, again, I don't believe needs to be very long. It can be too long. That was kind of too long. In other words, the air was still blowing and the bottle had already left. So what we really want is the air to end when the bottle is sort of passed out of the zone. So we're going to change that dwell back down. We're going to make that about 15 or 20 hundredths of a second. Now we're going to show that again with a lower dwell. Now that's about right. One other thing should be emphasized, and that's we need to have some space in between each bottle or they won't blow off correctly. So what we want to do is have our spacing or friction star wheel set up for some space. There, you'll see that's correct.